Okay, here's a little short video of my Danby Dehumidifier. Stopped working yesterday, and what was happening was the fan was kind of sound like it was on, and sound like the compressor was trying to kick in, but would stop after just a few seconds. You kind of hear it click, and then you'd never really hear the compressor really turn on. So I went online and I started looking around, trying to figure out how to diagnose this problem. And the first thing I read on a forum was to check this little over temp sensor here that's right on top of the compressor. There was a little cap right here that was bolted on top, and first thing you need to do is just continuity test it, and if if you're getting connection across, most likely it's fine, because it breaks the connection when it gets too hot. Apparently that's how those work. Pretty simple. The next thing I was looking into was this capacitor. Now this is the one that I've replaced it with, and it's much larger than the original, which is this little wee one, but it has the same markings on it, which was 35 microfarad and 5 microfarad, and 270 volts VAC. And this one here, I believe, was a higher voltage, which was 370, and it's also 35 and 5. 5 is for the fan, and I believe the 35 was for the compressor. Now I've marked my wires very carefully here when I took it off, and I've never had one of these things apart before, but one has HERM, and on top of the capacitor there, one says fan, and then the other side has a C. So I've marked them, these little tags, so I made sure that everything went right in the back, same place again, and everything works fine now, no problem. I just have to button it back up, put the capacitor back in. This capacitor is a little larger, but it does fit back in the steel container that's right there. It's got a little ring that gets tightened down, and it's about a $25 repair. These things are well over 250 bucks, so not too bad. I could have saved a lot more money if I had went on eBay. I think I've seen them for like 10 bucks shipped to my door, but the problem is my basement is like the rainforest here right now, so I need to get this thing back going because I feel like I'm getting rained on right now. Anyway, good luck.